benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty50 declined by nearly 1%, trading at 81,400 and 24,900 respectively, as investor sentiment weakened ahead of the US jobs report, which is expected to provide clarity on the potential scale of a US interest rate cut. Investors are opting to stay on the sidelines, holding cash in anticipation of the report's release. Sector performance has been uniformly negative, with Nifty, PSU and energy leading the losses. Notably, Nifty50 has fallen below the critical 25,000 mark, prompting put writers to cover their short positions, aggravating the market downturn. This decline is primarily attributed to concerns over a potential slowdown in the US labor market, following the ADP non-farm employment report, which revealed that private businesses added only 99,000 jobs in August, significantly below the forecasted 144,000. Market participants are now awaiting the official non-farm payrolls report from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, expected later today. Additionally, nervousness in banking stocks has surfaced ahead of the release of loan and deposit growth data. What are your views on the current market condition? Tell us in the comment section below. Thank you.